Welcome. Today we'll solve a rational equation step by step. Let's solve the equation. 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 equals 4/5. Before we begin solving, let's note that x cannot equal negative 2, since this would make the denominator 0. This is our domain restriction. The first step in solving rational equations is to multiply both sides by the least common denominator. In this case, our denominators are x plus 2 and 5. So our LCD is 5 times quantity x plus 2. Now, let's multiply both sides of the equation by this LCD. On the left side, when we multiply by 5, the x plus 2 terms will cancel out, leaving us with just 5 times quantity 2x minus 1. On the right side, when we multiply by x plus 2, the 5's will cancel, leaving us with 4 times quantity x plus 2. Let's distribute on both sides. On the left, we get 10x minus 5. On the right, we get 4x plus 8. Now we can solve for x using standard algebraic techniques. First, let's subtract 4x from both sides to get all terms with x on one side. This gives us 6x minus 5 equals 8. Next, add 5 to both sides. This gives us 6x equals 13. Finally, divide both sides by 6 to isolate x. This gives us x equals 13/6. Let's verify our solution by checking that it satisfies our domain restriction and the original equation. First, 13/6 is not equal to negative 2, so it satisfies our domain restriction. Now let's substitute x equals 13/6 back into the original equation. Let's simplify this. In the numerator, 2 times 13/6 is 13/3 minus 1. In the denominator, 13/6 plus 2 is 25/6. When we simplify this completely, we get 4/5, confirming our solution is correct. In summary, to solve rational equations, first, identify domain restrictions. Second, multiply both sides by the LCD to clear fractions. Third, solve the resulting linear equation. And finally, check your solution satisfies both the domain restrictions and the original equation.